Hello everyone, we'll start by solving the question 8 of the Cambridge IGCSE 2018 exam. Rashid takes a language examination that has 3 tests. The probability that Rashid passes the listening and reading test is 0.9. The probability that Rashid passes the speaking test is 0.8. The probability that Rashid passes the writing test is 0.7. Part A, complete the 3 diagram to show the probabilities of passing P and failing F, each part. When we have this figure, the sum of our numbers must be 1. Here we have 0.9, which means we must have 0.1 because 0.9 plus 0.1 equal 1. The same thing here, we have 0.8, which means it must be, we have here 0.2 because 0.8 plus 0.2 equal 1. The same thing here. In writing, we have in given the probability that Rashid passes the writing test is 0.7. So we put here 0.7 and here 0.3 because 0.7 plus 0.3 equal 1. We now move to part B. To pass whole examination, Rashid has to pass all 3 tests. Calculate the probability that he passes the whole examination. That is, it must passes the listening and reading, and speaking and writing. The probability that Rashid passes the listening and reading test is 0.9. And the probability that Rashid passes the speaking test is 0.8. And the probability that Rashid passes the writing test is 0.7. And the word "and" in the probability means multiply, times. And in this way, we get the answer. We now move to part C. If Rashid only fails one test, he can take that test again. Calculate the probability that Rashid needs to take one test again. That is, Rashid will only fail in writing, or only fail in speaking, or only fail in listening and reading. In other words, it will passes in listening and speaking and fail in writing, or passes in listening and writing and fail in speaking, or fail in listening and passes in speaking and writing. And the word "or" in probability means plus, and the word "and" in probability means multiply.